Need a helping hand? Understanding this compassionate phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that's both simple and profound. Need a helping hand? This phrase is a beautiful example of how language can convey kindness and offer support. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the positive impact it can have in communication. The phrase, "need a helping hand," is a question that offers assistance or support to someone who may be struggling or in need of help. It's a metaphorical expression, where the hand symbolizes aid or assistance rather than physical help. This phrase is used in various contexts, from small tasks to significant life challenges, showcasing the speaker's willingness to help. Offering help through this phrase is more than just a kind gesture. It's a bridge to fostering connection and empathy between people. When someone asks if you need a helping hand, it demonstrates concern and a readiness to support, which can be incredibly reassuring and uplifting. This act of kindness can strengthen relationships, build trust, and create a supportive community atmosphere. Using this phrase is straightforward but impactful. Here are some scenarios where it might be appropriate. When you see someone struggling to carry heavy bags. If a friend seems overwhelmed with work or personal issues. Offering to help a neighbor with household repairs. It's a versatile phrase that can be adapted to many situations, reflecting empathy, kindness, and the willingness to support others. We hope this exploration of the phrase, "need a helping hand," has inspired you to both understand its meaning and perhaps use it more in your daily life. Offering help is a simple yet powerful way to connect with others and make a positive difference. Remember, sometimes a small gesture of support can have a big impact. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has been helpful in your English language learning journey. See you next time.